Do you often find yourself trapped in negative, useless, or overthinking loops? Wasteful thoughts drain your energy, distract you from your goals, and prevent you from living in the present. Here's how you can take control of your mind and overcome wasteful thinking. The first step is to become aware of your thoughts. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me grow? Is this something I can control? Is this thought based on reality or just fear? If the thought is not useful, productive, or positive, acknowledge it and let it go. Most wasteful thoughts come from either worrying about the past or fearing the future. The best way to overcome them is to focus on the now. Practice mindfulness. Observe your surroundings and engage with the present moment. Use grounding techniques. Take deep breaths, feel the air around you, and focus on what you're doing. When you catch yourself overthinking or having negative thoughts, immediately do something productive. Read a book, go for a walk, start working on a small task. Action breaks the cycle of overthinking. What you read, watch, and listen to shapes your thoughts. If you consume too much negative news, toxic social media, or pointless gossip, it will fill your mind with wasteful thoughts. Instead, feed your brain with motivational content, books that inspire growth, positive and uplifting people. A mind without direction wanders aimlessly. To stop wasteful thoughts, give your mind something meaningful to focus on. Write down your goals. Break them into small action steps. Stay busy with purpose-driven activities. A grateful mind has no space for negativity. Every day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. This will shift your focus from what's missing to what's already great in your life. Many wasteful thoughts come from worrying about things that are out of your hands. Instead of stressing over them, practice the acceptance and trust the process.